Hey students, today's lesson is on volume of cones. So we'll start with a key idea that the volume of a cone is 1/3 the product of the area of the base and the height of the cone. So volume equals 1/3 times capital B for area of the base times height. So this looks just like the volume formula of a pyramid, and that's because a cone is basically a pyramid with a circular base. So that's why those formulas are the same. So let's go ahead and find the volume of this first cone. So volume equals 1/3 times capital B times H. And our area of this base is pi times the radius squared. If the diameter is 4 meters, the radius would be 2, so 2 squared, times the height of the cone, which is 6. We can simplify this to volume equals 8 pi. And then we'll use the pi button in our calculator to find that the volume is 25.1 cubic meters. All right, let's go ahead and do an example where we're finding the height of a cone. So we're still going to use our formula V equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. This time we find our volume is 956 cubic feet. And that's equal to 1/3 times the area of the base, which will be pi times 9 squared, all times the height. We can simplify this to 956 equals 27 times pi times h. And to find the height, we're going to divide by 27 pi. Remember, when you're dividing in your calculator, you want to do 956 divided by 27, and if that's a decimal answer, leave it in there. Divide that answer by pi. So here we have the height is approximately equal to 11.3 feet. All right, one more example. Here we have to answer a trivia question before the time runs out. The sand falls at a rate of 50 cubic millimeters per second. So we want to know how much time we have to answer the question. Now, we need to figure out the volume of the sand, which is a little bit tricky because they're giving us this measurement of the container. We don't really care about that. We care about the measurement of the sand. So we're going to find the volume of the sand. That's 1/3 times the base times the height. And our base in this case is pi times 10 squared. Pi times 10 squared. And our height is 24 millimeters. We're going to simplify that. Volume equals 800 pi. And we'll use our calculator to find that the volume is approximately 2,513 cubic millimeters. Now, we need to figure out how long that will take to fall. So we'll use our volume of 2,513 cubic millimeters, and we're told that this sand falls at a rate of 50 cubic millimeters per second. So every 1 second, we have 50 cubic millimeters. We want the cubic millimeters to be in the denominator, so that cancels out. So that means we're dividing 2,513 divided by 50, and it's about 50.26 seconds that we have to answer that question. All right, try a few on your own. I'll see you soon.